I chase the shine, I chase the noise. Thought success would fill the void, but every win still left me dry. Like something deeper passed me by. This world promised me so much, but never loved me when I fell. And in the quiet of my heart, I knew this place was not Jannah. I don't belong to dust and time. My soul was made for the divine. This dunya is not my home. It was never meant to hold my soul. I'm returning back to Allah, where my heart feels whole. This dunya fades, but Allah stays. Every loss still leads His way. I let go now, I turn back home. I return to Allah. I've seen hearts break for what decays, for love that leads, for names and praise, but Allah never turned away. Even when I lost my way, what's written for me won't be found in chasing crowns that touch the ground. Real wealth is peace inside the chest. When Allah says you did your best, I don't need what the world displays. I need the one who never fades. This dunya is not my home. It was never meant to hold my soul. I'm returning back to Allah, where my heart feels whole. This dunya fades, but Allah stays. Every loss still leads His way. I let go now, I turn back home. I return to Allah. La ilaha illallah, nafsi wa ruhi lillah. Hasbi Allahu, la ilaha illahu. Alayhi tawakkaltu. Every step I take toward Him, He runs toward me with mercy. Every tear I cry in sajda, He turns into strength in me. I'm not afraid to lose this world if Jannah waits on the other side. The one who gave me breath today will never let my soul be denied. If today was my last sunset, I'd want my heart in sujood. If all I had was Allah, that would still be more than good. This dunya is not my home. I was made for something more. I'm walking back to Allah with my forehead on the floor. This dunya fades, but Allah stays. He's enough in every way. I let go now, I turn back home. I return.